Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute, repurposed or upcycle, whatever you want to call it, denim vest jacket. I used two different fringe. You can use anything you want. I went this way because I like it. I hope you enjoy it. It's super cute and simple and easy to make. You're only going to need a few things. All right, so to start, you'll need a jacket, needle and thread. You can also sew it with the machine, and I picked two different lengths of fringe. Okay, so the jacket I had around the house already. It was an old jacket I had that I wore to death, and so the distressing wasn't original with the jacket. It just happened over time. I didn't want to throw it away. I wanted to use it to do something else. So this is what I decided to do with it. All right. So you can decide what you want to do, with the sleeves. If your sleeves aren't as distressed as the ones that I have, you could just do some cute distressing, keep it long, make short sleeves, whatever your choices might be for the item. So let's get started. Like I said, it's real simple and easy to do. Okay, so first what I did was started on the back, and I just took and decided where I wanted to place the fringe on the back. So I decided to go along the seam, like the yoke seam, from armpit to armpit. So I'm just laying it out to see how I like it. So that's what the best way to do is lay it out, see if you like the design, see if you don't like it, play around with it, see if you want to add other embellishments, cute patches, things like that. So I'm just going to lay it out and try to measure it from armpit to armpit to see how much I need for the project. Okay, and then I'm going to cut the piece down the size and get started. So you can just use any, pair of scissors that you might have. And like I said, just the hand needle and thread or sewing machine. All right. So I cut the piece that I needed down the size. Like I just laid it down from, like I said, armpit to armpit. Not armpit, to, shoulder, arm, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm just going to thread my needle and sew it. All right. So you can start at one corner. Make sure your needle is thick enough to go through the denim because you're going along the seam, and along the seam the denim is layered, so it's thicker than the other parts of it. And you just do a basic stitch straight across. So I did that, and then I realized I didn't cut the piece long enough for what I wanted to do. So I'm going to have to add another piece to it just to fill in the gap. So I'm going to do that and finish up. This time I'm not going to cut it until I'm at the complete end of it. And then once I'm done, I'm going to straighten out all the, tassels. All right. So I added the piece, and then, you can untangle. I had this fringe for a long time, so it got kind of tangled up. But when you get it new, it's usually not that tangled. So I straightened the pieces and took off the extra threading on the bottom. And it's cute alone, just like this. You can do something just like this. But I thought it would be cute to add the two layers. So this time I'm just going to sew it across with the same color thread up top to give it that, extra little dimension. Okay. So I've done that, and I like the way it looks there. And it's cute and has the nice little movement because the fringe is not, it's a good quality fringe. I'm going to put some links for other fringes down below. And then at this point, I'm deciding for what I'm going to do with the sleeves. I thought at first about distressing them more, but then I changed my mind and I decided to cut them off. So I cut them off and I flipped it over, and then I decided that the front needed a little something too. So I'm just going to play around and place the fringe in different places to see. Like I said, you can do just one layer. I'm deciding if I'm going to do two layers, which you can see I did decide to do two layers so that it looks the same on both sides. I placed the long fringe underneath the front pocket flap, and just sewed it right across the top of the pocket, hand sewed it. And then I did the same along the top of the flap, just keeping everything out of the way of the button and the loop so that it's easy to close and open when you want to, because they're functional buttons. I mean, they're functional pockets. So I'm just going to do the same with both sides. And that's basically it. So see, once I'm done, it looks the same across the front and the back. And because I use that seam line for the yoke, it matches up evenly all the way around also. And like I said, you can choose to use like embellishments. Like when I say embellishments, like sequins trim, patches. You can do hand painting on it, whatever you like. I chose to do it this way because I thought it was something super cute and simple. And as soon as my daughter saw it, she's in middle school, and she was like, okay, that's my jacket now. She took it and she's been wearing it, and it's just super easy to throw on. Right now the weather hasn't changed too much, so she can still wear it with short sleeves. When it gets cooler, she can wear it with long sleeves. So that's basically it. Like I said, super cute, super simple. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to press the like button, and you can subscribe, and I'll have more DIYs and different family vlogs and things for you to watch coming up in the future. So like I said, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.